Use concern activity types to track services provided to participants that are not eligible for an IEP or an IFSB. Select a participant. Open the Disability module, click Add Activity, and enter the date services were provided. Select the appropriate activity type and enter your supporting information. Briefly summarize the services by adding notes. Save changes, and monitor these services along with any other activities using Report 3530 Disability History. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.